Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can enable or how you can turn on eye tracking on your iPhone or iPad device on iOS 18. So if you have updated your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18 and now you want to enable the eye tracking feature on your iPhone device, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can turn on or how you can enable eye tracking on your iPhone or iPad device. So now let's get started how you can do that. So first of all, here we have to open setting on your iPhone or iPad device. So after that, here we have to scroll down, then tap on general, then tap on soft update, and here make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version of iOS 18. So after that, here we have to go back, then here we have to close this tab. After that, here we have to open setting on your iPhone or iPad device. So after that, here we have to scroll down, and here you will find the option of accessibility. You will need to tap on this. So after that, here you will see this type of interface. Here you can see that here eye tracking is not available on my iPhone or iPad device. So here, because I'm using access model, here I'm using access model, that's why eye tracking is not showing up here, because eye tracking feature only available on iPhone 12 or upper or latest model. Because I'm using access, that's why eye tracking is not showing up here. So if you want to use eye tracking on your iPhone device, so here make sure that your iPhone device is iPhone 12 or the latest model. So here that's why eye tracking is not showing up on my iPhone or iPad device. So if you're using iPhone 12 or the latest model, then here you have to open setting, then tap on accessibility, then here scroll down, and here their Face ID and attention, you will find eye tracking on your iPhone or iPad device. Then after that, you will need to tap on that. Then after that, you will be able to turn on or enable the eye tracking feature on your iPhone or iPad device on iOS 18. So in this way, you can use or you can enable eye tracking feature on your iPhone or iPad device after updating your iPhone device to the latest model, to the latest version iOS 18. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.